Satan, keep your position. Satan, keep your position. Satan, keep your position. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your... So while the devil is moving loose, because a man cannot act without the devil, you understand? It's a devil behind the man, make him hack. You understand? So the moment the devil go hack, he will hack God before him hack. So when him hacks God, before he can hack, the Lord send the message out there, which is a messenger, which is us. You understand? So we go out there, go give the message. So because the devil don't like that now, it going to cause a problem because they want the message to get there. You understand? So that was the problem, the main problem. Before it never was a war between flesh, because me know say it's principality and powers. So we can't look upon it like me right one war the Rasta man, which I know bigger than the Rasta man. You understand? So what I did if I was a fight, I was just trying to stop the whole thing from escalate further. So I take down the Rasta, put him down, calm him, and that's it. So we want to get it straight out there. We love the Rasta, but we don't love the devil. Because God make me and the Rasta, and we can't be against the Rasta. We have to be against the forces of hell. So that's it. It cannot be between me and the Rasta. You understand? Never going to be with me and the Rasta. Big on that. You understand? Because if it was me and the Rasta, me would kick and go like me. You understand? But it never was a mission. The mission was to get the Rasta restrained and then move on. You understand? Because that's what we're there for, the mission of Christ.
Well, as I tell you, that altercation shouldn't have happened, you know, because, you know, we are both spiritual kingsmen, and we're supposed to be doing the same thing, but there was a little bit too much party early in the day for me, and I think that's what caused the whole altercation. But from there, we are moving on. We are holding up our heads and making sure we are on the mission for the Almighty and not a mission for the devil. So therefore, we greet, we meet and greet, and we move from there. Yeah. When you make your hands and your heart clean and pure, then these things are easy to put aside and move on. So I think that's the position. We both get together. Why I can see the pastor today is because of SSP Brown and his associates, like this nice lady here. You know, so therefore we appreciate it very much, and we hope that it will replicate in other situations, so that, you know, we can have a peaceful life all over. Thanks.
So this situation between the evangelist and the Ras, it will happen. And one thing I can say, when Christ is in the vessel, we must smile at the storm, because this incident, it's divine intervention. As we are looking at it, we know we would have done our part. We had to know to that further intervention that the Lord would have placed in our hands. So for today, we have in our little get together, because sometimes you need a little break from the work. But nonetheless, they are here today. And we partner with them. We partner with them because this will go out to show Jamaica, show the world and all that look. War is not the answer. Peace must come at the end of the day.
Keep your position. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position, Satan.